Everyone is talking about making money with AI, but nobody tells you this part. AI itself doesn't make you money. Most people are using it completely wrong. If you don't understand this, you'll keep trying tools and never actually earn anything. First, AI tools don't make money. ChatGPT, Canva, all of these are just tools. Money comes from what you do with them. Most people just play with AI, asking random questions, generating stuff for fun. That doesn't pay. You need to use it with purpose. If you want to make money, it's simple. Write content for someone, edit videos, create designs, build something useful. That's where money comes from. This is where AI actually helps. It makes you faster. You can do in minutes what others take hours to do. And the biggest mistake, people try for a few days and stop. Pause. That's why they never see results. So here's the truth. AI is not a money machine. It's a tool. If you use it to create value, solve problems, and stay consistent, that's when it starts making you money. I've added some tools in the description. Use them the right way. Stop chasing tools. Start using them properly. If this helped you, subscribe for more real ways to earn using AI, and tell me in the comments, what are you trying right now?